In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can make an internet shortcut in Windows. So, right click the desktop, select new, shortcut. So you can type BL or copy and paste it and then click next. Name your shortcut. I'm going to name it example. And click finish. And there you go, there's your shortcuts. And this will open with your default browser. So if you want to open it with another browser, go to your desktop, select the shortcut, and then under this menu you can select which one you would like to open with. For more tutorials like this, like and subscribe. Until next time, see ya!